Hey there, fellow Earth lovers, can you believe it's already fall? The leaves are turning into breathtaking shades of gold and crimson, there's a crispness in the air, and pumpkin spice lattes are back in full swing. Fall is a magical time, and just like we swap out our summer wardrobes for cozy sweaters and boots, our skin craves a little shift in its routine too. As we transition from the long, sun-drenched days of summer to the cooler, drier air of autumn, our skin needs a little extra TLC to stay hydrated, balanced, and radiant. No need to worry though, because Mother Nature has our backs and our faces, with an abundance of nourishing ingredients that are perfect for this time of year. So grab a cup of herbal tea, put on your favorite comfy socks, and let's dive into the wonderful world of fall skincare naturally. We'll explore why a seasonal skincare switch-up is a must, discover the magic of essential oils, and even whip up a simple DIY face mask that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and ready to embrace the beauty of autumn. Think of your skin as a delicate flower that thrives in different conditions throughout the year. During the summer months, your skin battles humidity, increased sun exposure, and perhaps a bit more sweat than usual. This often leads to oilier skin and the need for lighter skincare products. As the weather cools down, the air becomes drier, and your skin produces less oil naturally. This can lead to dryness, flakiness, and even sensitivity. Your trusty summer moisturizer might not cut it anymore. Just like you wouldn't wear a tank top and shorts in the snow, it's important to adapt your skincare routine to the changing seasons. By switching to richer moisturizers, incorporating hydrating ingredients, and exfoliating gently, you can help your skin retain moisture, maintain its natural balance, and glow from within. Essential oils are like little drops of magic from nature, each with its own unique set of benefits for our skin and overall well-being. They're incredibly potent, so a little goes a long way. When it comes to fall skincare, here are a few of my favorite essential oils. Frankincense. Known for its rejuvenating properties, frankincense oil can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promote skin elasticity, and calm inflammation. It's like a warm hug for your skin. Lavender. Lavender, the queen of calmness. This versatile oil is not only incredibly soothing and relaxing, but it's also a powerhouse for balancing skin tone, reducing redness, and promoting a peaceful night's sleep. Rose. This luxurious oil is a godsend for dry, sensitive skin. It's deeply hydrating, helps lock in moisture, and can even help reduce the appearance of scars and blemishes. Plus, its sweet floral scent is simply divine. When using essential oils, always dilute them in a carrier oil like jojoba, almond, or coconut oil before applying them to your skin. A general rule of thumb is to add 2 to 3 drops of essential oil per tablespoon of carrier oil. Section 4. DIY Delight. Whipping up a fall face mask. Ready to treat your skin to some homemade goodness? This simple DIY face mask is packed with nourishing ingredients that will leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and ready to take on the cooler months. You'll need 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, which gently exfoliates with lactic acid, 1 teaspoon of honey, a natural humectant that draws moisture to the skin, half a teaspoon of pumpkin puree, rich in vitamins A and C, perfect for brightening, 1 drop of frankincense essential oil, and 1 drop of lavender essential oil. Instructions. In a small bowl, combine the yogurt, honey, and pumpkin puree. Add the frankincense and lavender essential oils. Mix well until you have a smooth paste. Apply the mask evenly to your clean, dry face, avoiding the eye area. Relax and let the mask work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer. This mask can be used once or twice a week to keep your skin happy and hydrated throughout the fall. Section 5. Benefits of going natural. Choosing natural ingredients for your skin is like giving your body a big warm hug. It's about nourishing your skin with the goodness of nature, without harsh chemicals or synthetic fragrances. Plus, DIY skincare is incredibly empowering. You get to be in control of what you put on your skin, and it's a fun and creative way to pamper yourself. Think about it. When you whip up a homemade face mask, you're not just creating a skincare product. You're engaging in a mindful ritual that connects you with nature and allows you to appreciate the simple things in life. So ditch the expensive, chemical-laden products and embrace the beauty of natural skincare. Your skin and your wallet will thank you for it. Section 6. Embrace the joys of DIY skincare. As the leaves change and the air turns crisp, remember that your skin deserves a little extra love and attention. By transitioning your skincare routine with the seasons, incorporating nourishing essential oils, and indulging in some DIY pampering, you can maintain healthy, radiant skin all autumn long. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your unique skin type. And remember, skincare should be fun. So grab some friends, put on some music, and enjoy the process of creating your own natural skincare potions. So go ahead, embrace the magic of fall and let your inner DIY goddess shine.